Need to measure a piece of land directly from your phone? Google Maps makes it quick and easy. Want to calculate the size of a field, plot, or property without special tools? Here's how to measure land area accurately using Google Maps on Android. Step 1. Open the Google Maps app on your Android phone. Search for or navigate to the location you want to measure. Step 2. Press and hold on the starting point of the land area. A red location pin will appear on the map. Step 3. Tap the location details panel at the bottom. Then select measure distance from the available options. Step 4. The red pin will become your first fixed point. A movable marker will appear in the center of the screen. Before we move to the final steps, subscribe to Preyo Phonie for more useful Google Maps tips and tricks. Step 5. Move the map until the marker reaches the next boundary point. Tap Add Point to place another measurement marker. Step 6. Continue moving along the edges of the land. Add points one by one to create the boundary shape. Step 7. Keep adding points until you've outlined the entire property. Make sure the shape closely follows the actual boundaries. Step 8. Connect the final point back to the starting point. This closes the shape and completes the measurement area. Step 9. Google Maps will automatically calculate the total area. You'll see the measurement displayed on the screen. Step 10. Review the results and adjust any points if needed. Your land area measurement is now ready to use. That's it. Google Maps has successfully measured your selected land area in just a few taps.